Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic beauty box of July. As you can see, the boxes have returned and we don't have a beauty bag this time. I'm a little bit sad because I like the idea of beauty bags. This box is the sun-kissed edition. I'm guessing that we're going to get sun protection products. However, we also had some sun care products in June's box. It is going to be a surprise. For this box I have paid 20 euros and we have 6 products. They claim that the overall value for this box here is £65. We're going to check that at the end of this video. I'm always calculating the value of the products. They offer international shipping. Some of you also want to see BoxyCharm on my channel. I'm looking into that because I need to find a service to ship it to me because I live in Germany. Let's open the box. Ooh, the colors are so pretty. Again, we don't have the beauty box edit and also I didn't get an email, so I will have to go to their website to find information about the products. The first product is the blush brush. This is by the brand So Eco. This is an eco-friendly vegan blush brush and it is ideal for applying a beautiful dash of color and definition to the cheeks. So I have never heard of this brand before. It is also cruelty free and yeah, let's see the brush. I'm super curious about it. Ooh, it's very pretty. It reminds me the bamboo brushes that I got from the Shop Misei website. I have done a whole review about them, $1 brushes. So this one here has a wooden handle. It is very pretty. It also has a place for your fingers to hold it. I don't really like brushes that have this thing here because it's not easy. I want to hold it however I want. We also have synthetic bristles. Okay, the brush looks very nice. About the symmetry of the bristles, I have one here that is longer than the others. That's not very nice. I think it is a little bit heavier for a brush, but this is a personal preference. So let's see if we have any information about the brush on their website. They say that this is a sustainable bamboo and recycled aluminium ferrule. It also has cruelty-free Taclon bristles. So I'm guessing Taclon means something synthetic. Their website is super slow. I'm trying to read about the beauty box of this month, but it's not happening. After that, we have this product here. What is this? This is by the brand Monuspa. Rose and lemon enriched body cream. Oh my god, this looks like a full size. Finally! With the last couple of boxes we are getting a lot of samples. And this one contains marine collagen and vitamins A, E and B5. We have here 100 milliliters. Let's smell it. Ooh, oh, we don't have a safety net. Where is the plastic layer? It smells amazing. I think it reminds me one of Molton Brown's shower gels that I got from Lookfantastic. I also have some on the cup. Let's see how it feels. It is very lightweight. Also, it has a very refreshing scent because of the lemon. I don't smell a lot of the roses. Okay, it's okay. Your skin is going to feel soft, smooth and nourished. And this one can last 12 months. Ooh, my skin is super soft. And also it gives like a very light sheen. That's very nice because my skin is super dry. The scent now is not as strong as in the beginning. Okay, that's a very nice product. I'm excited. The full size for this one is 180 milliliters. So this is not the full size, but we are getting a lot of product. This is very spreadable and you don't have to use a lot. I like this. I'm so excited. Let's continue. Oh no, I see something that I don't like. These are by the brand My Vitamins. Hair, skin and nails. We have 30 capsules here. Always ask your GP, your doctor about any vitamins that you want to take. Yeah, you never know what happens. Be careful with products like this. Next we have a product by this brand here, and this is the brand Medara Organic Skincare, and the product that we have is the Deep Moisture Regenerating Night Cream for all skin types. Okay. It also says overnight renewal for radiant complexion. So we also got, I think, 2 boxes before, another product by this brand, and I loved it. I have used all of it. It is an eye cream. I'm going to find it, just a sec. Don't leave. I'm back. It is this one here, and I think it was a full size. I loved this one. It is a Time Miracle Wrinkle Resist eye cream. I'm super excited that we have another product by this brand. Let's open this. Also, I like a lot that this is in a squeezable tube. I don't like when skincare products are in jars. It has revitalizing extracts of plantain and tomato. This easily absorbed formula hydrates and softens the skin. About the easily absorbed formula, this is for the eye cream as well. And in the beginning, I was a little bit concerned because I thought that it wouldn't be very moisturizing, but it was. Okay, let's continue. All of the product is sustainable. The tube is plant-based. Also, the cup is ocean waste plastic cup. The full size for this one is 50 milliliters, and we are getting 25 milliliters. This one can last up to 6 months. Let's see the formula. And we have here like a small sticker. I've made it. So I'm going to apply just a little bit to see how spreadable it is. Ooh, it has a very interesting formula. It is a little bit thicker, but also very spreadable. So maybe I can use it for 2 to 3 weeks. Nice one! Next we have a very tiny product. Why? Why samples again? This is the Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum by the brand This Works. We have seen this brand again. So this one contains 2% hyaluronic acid and slow release vitamin C. Slow release. This one can help plump and brighten morning skin. I really want to see if this one can do something for the texture that I have on my forehead. This is a very small product. We have 10 milliliters only, so I'm guessing that I will be able to use it for just 1 week. The sample of samples again. And also it can last up to 6 months. So if you open it, use it. Don't forget. So let's continue with a liquid lipstick by Sleek Makeup. And this is the Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. I have here the shade Bittersweet. So I need to check if I already have this shade because I have some liquid lipsticks from the Sleek Makeup Beauty Advent Calendar. So I don't have this shade again. Let's open it. Oops. Okay. Let's see how it looks. And with this one we have a small doe foot applicator. It is like a heel, and let's see the color here. Oh, it's super pretty. And we have this dusty rose peachy lip shade. I'm not gonna use it on my lips because I'm doing a wear test for the new liquid lipstick by Essence, so I'm not gonna remove it. So I have used some of the shades, but for a couple of hours, and I don't really know how many hours this one can last. So let me know in the comments if you want to see a review, lip swatches and wear test for this product. And this is a full size. Finally, this is a very universal color, and this shade can look very nice on a lot of different skin tones. And after that we have some shredded paper in this beautiful corally color. It is so pretty. And we also have a card here to our lovely beauty box customers. We hope you love all the products in this box. And it also says that we're going to get the beauty box edit in our email. I haven't received an email yet. And the overall value of the products is £65.97. If we forget this sample here, the box is not that bad. And to be honest, I was thinking about unsubscribing after the June's box. I didn't like that box. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite product of today's box. For me, it is this Medara skincare product. I'm very excited about this one. I'm expecting wonders. You can also watch this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!